Imagine a warehouse overflowing with inventory, yet struggling to fulfill orders on time. Picture frustrated customers and lost revenue. These are common challenges in today's fast-paced business world. How can companies optimize their warehouse operations to meet these demands? Can a digital twin of your warehouse hold the key to unlocking efficiency? The answer lies in simulation software, and Flexsim is leading the charge. Flexsim allows businesses to create virtual models of their warehouses. They can then experiment with different layouts, processes, and scenarios. All this happens in a risk-free digital environment. Let's consider a case study of a large e-commerce company struggling with order fulfillment times. Using Flexsim, they created a digital replica of their warehouse. They could then analyze bottlenecks in their current processes. By simulating different scenarios, they identified an optimal layout for their warehouse. They also optimized picking and packing processes, resulting in a 15% reduction in order fulfillment time. What are the advantages of using Flexsim? It allows for data-driven decision-making, reduces risks and costs, and improves overall efficiency. However, like any software, Flexsim has its limitations. It requires skilled professionals to build and interpret the simulations. The initial investment cost can also be a barrier for some businesses. Despite these challenges, the applications of Flexsim are vast. From manufacturing and healthcare to logistics and transportation, Flexsim is used across various industries to optimize processes and improve efficiency. Can you think of other industries where Flexsim could be utilized? So, what skills do you need to unlock the power of Flexsim? A strong understanding of simulation modeling, data analysis, and process improvement methodologies is crucial. Familiarity with programming languages like C++ can also be beneficial. Learning Flexsim can be challenging, but numerous resources are available. Flexsim offers comprehensive training programs, online tutorials, and a supportive user community. What other resources can help individuals learn and master Flexsim? Can you share an example of how Flexsim is being used in the manufacturing industry? Did you know that Flexsim is used by over 6,000 companies worldwide? It's also used by over 100 of the top Fortune 500 companies. These numbers highlight the growing importance of simulation in today's business world. But what does the future hold? In our next discussion, we'll explore the exciting intersection of Flexsim and artificial intelligence. Imagine the possibilities of using AI-powered simulations to predict future trends, optimize decision-making, and unlock even greater levels of efficiency. How do you think AI will impact the future of simulation and Flexsim? What are some potential challenges of integrating AI with Flexsim? To learn more about Flexsim and its capabilities, visit LeanSimCorp.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of simulation and process optimization.